G'day guys, I'm Russell from Cap Industries, and this is the installation video for a Holden Commodore VB, VC, VH and VK. The fire extinguisher bolts in using the factory seat bolts. It looks great and it's a great way to protect your vehicle. The tools required to install this is a 13mm socket and ratchet and just two 8mm spanners. With your 13mm ratchet and socket, just remove the two front seat bolts. Alright, after I've removed those two front seat bolts, then I'm going to find a place on the extinguisher bracket where I can mount the cage of this extinguisher. I'm going to push this one over this way to make sure it doesn't interfere with the seat adjusting handle. You can mount any extinguisher, by the way. This one here I'm just using today. It looks really nice, twin latch one. Okay, and then just install that cage onto the bracket using the supplied M5 nuts and bolts. And then with your two 8mm spanners, just tighten them up. Then place it in and bolt it back down with the factory seat bolts. After it's all bolted in, then just slip your extinguisher in and clip it up. Job done. So thanks heaps for watching. As you can see on this car, this fire extinguisher is installed beautifully, nice and safe. In fact, we even installed one on the driver's side as well, because they can go on both sides. So please pick one up from our website at Cap Industries today.